Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to draw one of my favorite characters of all time, and that is Rocko from Rocko's Modern Life. And if you guys have not checked out the Rocko's Modern Life movie, I highly recommend it on Netflix because it is awesome. So, to start off with Rocko, we're going to begin with his eyes. So, starting right here, I'm going to make an oval shape like this. And then over here, I'm going to draw another oval shape right here. Then I'm going to draw a circle right here for one pupil, and then a circle right here for another. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve up, and then it's just going to come down right here on top of this eye. Then over here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve out and then come back in. Now right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve down, and it's just going to curve around, and then it's going to go in like this, and then we're just going to go up right here really close to the eye. Then I'm going to put a little curved line on here for a smile. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve around and come right here to the mouth. Then there are three little bumps for some teeth. Now his nose. On his nose, his nose looks like kind of like a jelly bean. So I'm just going to draw a line. It's just going to curve like this, like a sad face, and then it's going to curve around, up, and down like this. There's going to be a little line right here on it. Now up here he has two eyebrows. Now for his ears. So starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve up, and then it's just going to come down like this. And then right here, I'm going to do the same thing, just kind of curve up, and then kind of come around like this. Then right here by his teeth, I'm going to draw a line that goes down, and then it's going to come curve down at an angle, and then come back up for his neck. Then for the collar of his shirt, I'm just going to draw a line that goes out and then down, and then I'm just going to curve it down, same shape as the neck, and then go back up and put a little hook on it. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that goes down and then back up. Now starting here, right at the collar of a shirt, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve down. And then I'm going to go in just a little bit. Now up here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down, over, and then back up for his sleeve. And then his hand is just going to curve down like this, going to go past the shirt. Then I'm going to curve it here, a little bump here, and then go back up for the arm. And there's going to be a little line right here. Now starting here, I'm just going to curve this around, draw a little triangle shape here, curve out, and then we're just going to go up like this. Then right here, I'm just going to curve a line out and then curve it back here for the other arm, or for the sleeve, I should say. Then I'm going to draw a little curved line here and then go out and back for a little thumb. Then I'm going to curve a line that goes up and down right here. And then another one that goes up and down here. And then one that goes out and then comes back like this. Then I'm just going to draw a line that just curves back for this arm. Then I'm going to draw a little curved line right here. And then for his shoes. So starting here, I'm just going to curve a line that's just going to go down. It's going to curve up like this, and I'm just going to make a little jelly bean shape on it. Then I'm going to draw another here, and one more right there. Then right here, I'm just going to curve out, come back and do the same thing. Put that jelly bean shape, and then two more on top of it. Now for his tail. So starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that curves up. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes up, over, and back in like this. And then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of curves down and goes right here towards his shirt. Now the final detail is his famous triangles on his shirt. So I'm going to just put some different triangles in a few different spots on here, just so we can add some detail onto here. And just going to throw a few triangles all around here. Put one on his over here by his arm, another one back here, one more on his arm, and then put one here and then one on his collar. And there you go. There is your drawing of Rocko from Rocko's Modern Life. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.